Hey there, burger lovers. Today, we have something delicious in store for you. We're going to show you how to make mouth-watering homemade hamburgers that will satisfy your cravings and impress your taste buds. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into this ultimate burger recipe. Add body first things first. Let's gather all the ingredients we need to make these incredible hamburgers. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound 450 grams ground beef, preferably 80% lean, and 20% fat hamburger bun cheese slices cheddar, American, or your favorite cheese lettuce leave us tomato slices onion slice pickles optional ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to prepare the burger patties. In a large mixing bowl, add the ground beef. Season the meat with salt and pepper according to your taste preferences. Gently mix the seasoning into the meat, being careful not to overwork it as it can make the patties tough. Divide the meat into equal portions and shape them into round patties, slightly larger than the size of your burger buns. Make a slight indentation in the center of each patty to prevent it from puffing up during cooking. It's time to fire up the grill or heat up your pan. Let's cook those delicious patties. Preheat your grill or pan over medium-high heat. If using a grill, lightly oil the grates to prevent the patties from sticking. Place the patties on the grill or in the pan and let them cook for about 4–5 minutes. On each side for medium doneness. Adjust the cooking time according to your desired level of doneness. During the last minute of cooking, add a cheese slice on top of each patty to allow it to melt. Once cooked to your liking, remove the patties from the heat and let them rest for a few minutes. The patties are ready, and now it's time to assemble the burgers and bring them to perfection. Slice the hamburger buns in half and lightly toast them on the grill or in a toaster. Spread your preferred condiments, such as ketchup, mustard, or mayonnaise, on the bottom half of the bun. Place a lettuce leaf on top of the condiments, followed by a tomato slice and onion slices. Carefully place the cooked patty with melted cheese on top of the vegetables. Add pickles if desired, and cover it with the top half of the bun. Voila! Your homemade hamburgers are ready to be devoured. Serve them alongside your favorite sides, like French fries or a crispy salad. Take a moment to admire your creation and enjoy that enticing aroma. Grab the burger with both hands, take a big bite, and savor the flavors bursting in your mouth. Share this incredible recipe with your friends and family, and let them indulge in the goodness of homemade hamburgers too. Congratulations on mastering the art of making homemade hamburgers. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we enjoyed sharing it with you. Remember, you can always customize your burgers with additional toppings and sauces to suit your taste. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow burger enthusiasts. Until next time, happy grilling and happy eating. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification below.